What's up, guys? Welcome to Codeman's Auto. Today we're going to show you where the speed sensor's at on a 6L80 and a 6L90. Alright guys, there's the bottom of the valve body and there are your speed sensors on this 6L80. Got one there, and they're both into the same wiring harness and they plug in right there. You just push this to unplug them. So. Alright guys, if you're going to change these speed sensors out, there are 6 bolts that hose the valve body on. You just saw the video of the speed sensors, but anyway, you take those 6 bolts out. You'll take this, I like to take this off before I pull the valve body off. It just makes it easier when it's going back on. Make sure that this, I hope you can see down inside of there at what's going on, but make sure that that's lined up, and make sure it's lined up with this little piece right here, because that's what controls what gear you're in. When you pull it down into gear, it moves this and that indicates what gear you're in, so that has to be lined up in that slot for your gear selector. So but anyway, I am going to pull these bolts out. I'm going to show you one more thing. If you're going to change the speed sensors yourself, when you get this valve body, another thing is down here is you have a clip up underneath of there. Pull that up just like that, and then you have your connector right there, and you'll just pull that out. But you got to pull this up before you can get this out. So underneath of this valve body, you've got this. If you're doing this and it's still in the truck, what you'll need to do is probably assembly goo. Put that assembly goo on there and push that up in there and make sure that holds up in there so that it doesn't drop out while you're putting the valve body back on. You don't want this to fall out there and then you bolt the valve body down on. So